Physical Bangko?
So, ang impact ko is that this is now a branch that will marry the physical, I guess, infrastructure of what a bank should be, and also provide digital services that will make banking easier, more convenient, more accessible. And I think what's important is that we would like to make sure that it's efficient in terms of our clients' management of time. So, yun po yung napaka-importante is to make sure that we're able to meet our clients' requirements and needs and be sensitive as well to their time, to the convenience. So, banking should be convenient, and that's what we're trying to bring here.
Pero hindi pa natin pinapabayaan yung physical banking.
No, because I think that was what we were saying, that it should be high touch and highly technical as well, because I know people still want to interact, and sometimes there are issues that need to be addressed by our customers. So it's really marrying both. Well, whereas let's say if your transaction is easy in out, you can do that as well. If you need someone, there will be someone here. So that's what we want to bring. And I think this is going to be, I hope, helpful to the community, helpful to the province. This is going to be the first phygital branch, but we are looking to roll out all our new branches in this format, precisely to ensure that we're really able to meet our clients' requirements in a very efficient.
Pero Ma'am President, bakit po ba dito sa CDO itong pinakaunang phygital branch?
Well, I think what is so important is actually what the congressman has mentioned, that this is really the gateway. We are really very much entrenched here in Mindanao. We have been supporting the community, the entire island, and so we felt that it was just right to be very close to our constituents, to be very close to our client base, and that's why we chose this. Tomorrow, we're also opening a phygital branch in Dumaguete. So it's really Visayas Mindanao, and that's really where we're hoping to really catapult this innovative solution and branch.
To make sure po na efficient and fast ang transaction natin, meron po bang plano to educate yung mga land bank cardholders na dito na para mas madali ang kanilang transaction? Speaking of our senior citizens na gustong gumamit ng digital transaction.
Yes. So actually what we're doing is, in various social media outlets, we're also featuring how to navigate and how to use our digital channels. Actually, it should be really very intuitive. You don't really need, long, tutorials on it, because it should be intuitive, and that's what we're trying to achieve. We're trying to be sensitive to what the client needs and wants. So I do think that it's very easy to navigate this space, our digital channels, and yeah, certainly education is going to be primary, for us. Okay?
You're all good po?
Maraming salamat.